Welcome back to Too Many Mods Garage. Today we'll get an unboxing of some RSA goodies for my 10R80 build going on the Whippled Smurf. What this is, it's a pre-filter and also the cooler all in one. I think it's two separate devices, but let's unbox it, see what's inside. Yeah, this was kind of pricey, but this is one of the items that are really needed if you're going to be pushing your transmission hard. RSA told me that the main problem with the failures on the 10R80 are the valve bodies. So you want to keep the fluid nice and cool. It's a Wix oil filter, it looks like. Fragola braided hoses. You have premium nylon. Looks like 8 AM. And more at 8 AM. I guess it's the same size for feed and the return. Comes with Derale cooler with the fan. Some stickers. Comes with a bunch of Fragola fittings. I'm not going to name off each one of these, but there's just a bunch of fittings, Fragola fittings, black anodized. There's probably about 15 fittings here. Here's a remote mount oil filter. This is the transmission cooler fitting. I guess this screws into the side of the 10R80, basically makes it all plug and play. This is pretty simple, I guess. I'm about to go bring this to Wesley at Relentless Performance. He's going to install it. He says it should take about a day, day and a half. He's got to pull the front bumper off. Got to pull the heat exchanger off the Whipple, and also he's taking out the stock OEM transmission cooler and all the lines just to get the weight off the car, because I don't need it, so no reason to keep it there. Well, I'm on the way to Relentless Performance. Gonna get the RSA filter cooler combo installed by Wesley. The main reason I decided to do a little video on the way over here, I forgot to mention that RSA also said that to keep the fluid temps of your transmission, this is their built transmission. I don't know about other transmissions, but the 10R80 that they build, they try to keep it under 120 degrees. So that's what this cooler is good for. It's good for keeping it cold below 130. They said it gets above that, you start getting premature wear on the clutches with the way they set it up. So they recommended I get this as soon as possible so I can keep my fluid temps cold. So I don't want to blow up my brand new transmission, because Texas heat is pretty brutal over here, so I didn't want to take any chances with the premature wear on the clutches. Plus, any type of wear on the clutches that does happen, that filter is going to catch it before it gets back into the valve body, most likely. So that's another benefit of having this little filter cooler combo. Just trying to get everything prepped for Papa's no time race in 2 weeks, so need to get this done. Traffic's pretty brutal over here. All ridiculous construction. It's horrible. Ready to get back out to the track, see if I can drop it 60 foot again. But I might not have an opportunity to go back to the track until the Popeye race at Evadale on the 26th. The little winter storm we had about a week and a half ago kind of wrecked my finances. I wasn't able to work overtime, or I missed like 3 or 4 days of work unpaid. They didn't pay us for it, so I took a big chunk out of my paycheck. So still trying to recover financially from that. Since I'll be at work while Wesley is working on my car, I won't be able to get any videos of this stuff being installed. I'm going to ask Wesley to get some pics before and after though. Stay tuned, they'll be right after this.
In the shadows of the night, where the asphalt glows, a beast awakens and everybody knows. Smoking tires and kicking ass with a vicious roar. Hit the gas and feel the power, let it soar. The streets are calling, it's the race of our lives. Massive acceleration, watch as the engine thrives. No fear in our hearts, just the thrill of the chase. Eager to unleash this beast, we own this place. The Whippled Smurf, born for speed, 1,000 horsepower monster, fulfilling our need. With a Whipple supercharger, we rise up from the dirt. Adrenaline rushing, feel that hunger and hurt.
If you have any high performance race car needs, be sure to give Wesley a call. He's very reliable and affordable. He works out of Mustang, Oklahoma, and Weatherford, Texas. As always, please like and subscribe. Be sure to click the bell notifications, and I'll get back with you as soon as it's installed. Thank you. Bye.